the price of coffee, you're chalking it up to speculators, not fundamentals.
Well, I think it's really unfortunate that the cost of green coffee has risen to these levels when I can tell you unequivocally there's no issue whatsoever in terms of supply and demand. This is financial speculation, and it's really unfortunate.
Kraft.
I can't talk about that.
I'm gonna ask you.
Okay.
Kraft is taking you guys to arbitration. You've ended a 12-year distribution deal with Kraft. You say they didn't fulfill what they said they were going to in the contract. What's your take on the Kraft situation at this point?
Well, I think now it's going to be in the hands of the courts, and we're quite confident that our position and that we are going to prevail. That we feel very strongly that what we've laid out in terms of our case is going to be upheld, and we're going to win.
And you're going to distribute now on your own. I mean, it seems like your push into grocery aisles is bigger and bigger and bigger. You've said you want to make acquisitions in that arena for Starbucks.
Well, we think that in looking at the evolution of our company, that we have an opportunity to do something that very few consumer brands have done before, and that is to have its own retail stores that it owns and operates, and in addition to that, have its products on the grocery shelf. And in view of the disappointments we've had about how that partnership has been structured over the years in terms of its execution, we feel it's best that we do it ourselves.
When we spoke about half a year ago, it was before health care reform passed. And, you talked about the $300 million cost to Starbucks every year, more than you spend on coffee beans, to provide health care to full-time and part-time workers. We have health care reform now, Howard. Is it going to help Starbucks? Is it the right change for businesses?
I think it's the right change for America. I think from certain businesses that I speak to, it appears that businesses perhaps are going to have an increase in their costs. Mm-hmm. I view that as an unfortunate dimension to healthcare reform, but the bottom line is that the majority of people who have not had healthcare before are going to have it, and I think over time, the long view, this is what's best for America, that the humanity of America is not suited by having 40, 50 million people who do not have health insurance. So I think it is a positive move for the country, and unfortunately, in the short term, at a time when there's such economic uncertainty, certain businesses are going to have to spend more money.
Is it going to cost you more money right now?
I don't think it's going to cost us more money in the near term, but I think over time it will.
Huh.
But I think the president made the right decision.
You had to do it.
I believe so.